You can sneeze. Superman can't. Here's why. If Clark goes full Kryptonian in the bedroom, boom, instant obituary. Comics say one slip could literally crush his partner. One comic sneeze vaporized the solar system. Dude holds it every time the pollen count spikes. Tattoos. Forget it. Indestructible skin means no needle, unless someone invents kryptonite ink with a jet engine gun. Regular clippers snap like twigs. He angle grinds his hair with heat vision and a mirror, or borrows a kryptonite blade. Let one rip? Hello, hurricane season. A full-blast Kryptonian toot could wipe out a city block. Which human power would you miss most? Sneezing, tattoos, or, drop your pic below and tag a friend who thinks Supes has it easy. Subscribe for more such content.